For meeting our production targets in thermal power plant, it is estimated that we'll be importing something like 140 million tons of coal from other parts of the world. We have to have as much of indigenous use of fuel as possible, and wind seems to be the only solution for that. We have 19 manufacturers here who make world-class products, and some of our members, for example Suzlon, they have gone all over the world and they have made a mark for themselves in other parts of the world also.
The support we need from the government in terms of policy changes. Enforcement of RPO compliance with penalties to achieve NAPCC goals. Make conducive policy environment. Standard methodology for tariff determination across the country. Remove regulatory and policy hurdles. Purchasing of power by DISCOMs. Long-term bankable policy.
We have a capability of making more than 10,000 megawatts in India. So we can use India as a manufacturing base for the whole world. Once a project is implemented and commissioned, then we employ on an average 3 people per megawatt for the rest of the 25 years of the life of the turbine. Significant because all this employment happens in the rural areas, because the wind turbines are in the rural areas, not in cities. So we make a difference where it matters. There's something very divine and spiritual about wind. From thin air, we are going to produce electricity without polluting the atmosphere. We are preserving our atmosphere for not only ourselves but for the future generations. We have to make a choice today and get out of fossil fuels and go into renewable energy, because that's the only way we can preserve our environment the way we found it for future generations.
Reducing our dependence on coal means cleaner air for our children. We are a force of nature. Help us make our future cleaner, greener, and brighter.